Hi student, I am Masih Tiwari, an SSC teacher, and today the lesson which is continue power sharing, where our lesson is continued with the forms of power sharing. Today we will study the third and the fourth forms of the power sharing. So student, as we can see the power sharing among the social groups, where the power sharing among the religious and linguistic groups, and for better understanding you can understand with this last topics which we have studied in the story of Belgium, the community government. So student, this is the kind of community government in Belgium which has been ensured for the, we'll say, deprived people who are living in the country as a minorities, or those people who are feeling the deprivation or any kind of the alienations in the country. So this type of the government will protect their interest or their right in the country. So student, in some countries there is the constitutional arrangement, constitution and legal arrangement has been made for minority and women group to take part in the government, where they participate through representation in the assembly and parliament, and also participate in the, and also take part in administration. Because if these people are not taking part in the government, then they feel or they face the problems. So such space has given them to ensure their right to protect. This space means this scope, this place has been given by the government, by the administration, by the parliament, by the assemblies, so that they can protect their right. And very important things which you study last year. What? That means 9th class. You have studied last year the kind of system which has been given for such community. Reserve constituency. Reserve constituency is a place where some seats has been reserved in the assembly, in the state level assembly or national level assembly, means MP or MLA. Some seats has been allotted for such community. So some seat have been allotted in reserve for the such community, and these seats which are reserved for such communities, so obviously this seat will be won by that communities which are I will say minor people, minority in our country, minorities, SCs, STs, OBCs and women group. We have seen the SC, ST and OBC, they get their proportions in the reserve constituencies in the parliament in some percentage, and in the state legislature they get this reserve seat in the some percentage. Women, they are getting the suffering in the countries, means they are not getting the proper reservation in the national parliament, but the women got the 33%, means 1/3 reservation in the local self government, because after 1992 amendment which was amendment procedure was made in the constitution for such a reformation for the women. So women take part in the local self government, means third tier, where their right can be preserved forever. Why these steps has been made? Why this decision has been made in the country? Why? The reason is that why these steps has been taken. Why these steps has been taken? So the answer is that a minority group or women group could not feel alienated or a separate group. If these groups are feeling alienated or separate kind of the people, then they would not involve in the country's mainstreams. If the some people are not involving in the mainstreams of the country's administration, legislations, then these people will be disappointed, discouraged, undermined, and their disappointment, their distress will also very higher in the country, and the country have to pay the cost for it. So it is very necessary that these type of the people who are living in the country, because they whatever their conditions of economic or their social life, whatever they are holding, but anyhow whatever they are living any kind of the life in the country, but they are the part of the country. If they are the part of the country, then obviously they have to take part in the government, they take part in the administration, they have to take part in the legislations. And some people which has been taken these opportunities through the reservation process, where they improved not only their life but also they have improved their you will say conditions of their family. So this type of the process will help the social development, economic development, cultural development also. So student, I hope all of you are getting well. Now the fourth forms of the power sharing. Power sharing among political party, pressure group and movement group. So student, let's we see first political party. So student, you know very well, political parties are the group of people who come together to form the groups, and they also maintain their ideology among the people. Why they maintain their ideology? So that they maintain their ideology among the people, so that they contest the election. If they contest the election, then they can prove their majority. If they prove their majority, then they form the government. So it is very necessary for the political party. When any single party could not win the election, then more than one party come together and form the alliance group, and this alliance group, this alliance contest the election. If it win the election, contest the election, so if it win the election, so this group, after winning the election, form the, what they form the, they form the coalition government. Means if some political parties which are not able to form the government in the country, so many of the party come together with the same ideology and they form the alliance group, and after when alliance group is made, then all these alliance groups contest the election, and if they win the election, so they made the, or they form the coalition government. Coalition government means a kind of government which can be called in Hindi very clearly समझौते की सरकार, because in this group where many of the political parties come together with the same ideology, whatever there are lot of challenges, but when all the different parties come together, then they are bind together with their ideologies, and every party know very well their limit, every party know their you will say weak point, every party know their powerful point. So in such a way, all the parties, they have to maintain like a decorum to complete the 5 years tenure, because in democracies we are discussing about the organized politics, because political party is the part of organized politics. So student, I hope you are getting well. Now after political party, we are discussing here about the pressure group. As I told you already, here are some groups of the people as a traders, businessmen, trade union, many of the other kind of the people. So these people, they take part in the government directly or indirectly. They take part in the government indirectly when they influence the government. How they influence the government? They influence the government through pressure. They make pressure on the government, and after when they make the pressure on the government, then they you will say pressurize the government to make the laws on such issues which they want to make some laws over such issues. So these pressure groups and some political parties, they are also come through the pressure groups, and some pressure groups, they are very motivated by some political parties ideology. You know very well, in our country, the Mazdoor union, the farmer union, and many of the other union, labor union, they are mostly motivated by the CPI parties, because CPI parties are the kind of motivator for such groups. And such a way, these political parties also stood after the long struggle. Even they are made in the 100 of years ago, or many of the times these parties has not take the proper position in the country, but these unions are mostly motivated by this party. So student, you understood well. There are two type of the pressure groups. In the first, you should know it. These pressure groups are also known as interest group, and there are two type of the interest group. One is called the sectional interest group, and second is called the public interest group. Sectional interest group means they are talking about some section, such as lawyers, teachers, laborers, businessmen, and so and so. Means suppose they have their own sectional interest group, so they just talk about themselves only. They would not talk about the teachers, they would not talk about the laborers. But these are the different type of the pressure groups, and they make the groups for more than one interest group, more than one groups, such as BAMSEF. BAMSEF is a public interest group in the country. Backward and Community Employment Federation. Backward and Minorities Communities Employment Federation. This is a public interest group. So these are the groups which are talking about more than one groups, more than one communities. So these are the public interest group. Means they want to highlight the interest of the communities. They want to highlight the interest of the community, and what the mode they use their mode to influence the government. I told you already, the strikes, the hunger strikes, the different kind of the way they influence the government.